Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to quickly go through how to draw a line of best fit. I've been getting a lot of questions about it, so I just wanted to quickly clarify some things before your test this week. Okay, so we're going to draw a line of best fit. So the line of best fit, if we remember the definition, it's a line that shows the general trend or relationship of the data. Okay, so if we look at a scatter graph like this, in green here I've got all your normal data points that you would plot on a scatter graph, and one way to draw the line of best fit is to use the mean point. So I've drawn the mean here in red for us. Okay, so just remember that's the mean point. Okay, so the main problem I've seen the grade 9s having is that a lot of the time you're not sure how to draw the line of best fit, or you're not sure if you're drawing the right line of best fit. Okay, so there is a little bit of subjectivity in line of best fit. It's not to say that you're wrong if you draw it slightly different to how your friend's drawing it. Okay, so we're going to draw a line of best fit that passes through the mean point. Okay, so if we look at this, we could draw a line of best fit like that, passes through the mean point, and this is going to show us, okay, well, it's a positive relationship, so that's good. That's all we need, positive relationship. And then if we wanted to say, okay, well, what is this point here, we could then read it off the line of best fit, or we could extend it even further and read off that point, etc. Okay, so that's good enough for what we need. But that's not to say that this is the only line of best fit. We could also draw another line of best fit. Let's say we move it slightly along a slightly different angle. So draw it something like that. And it still passes through the mean. Or if we just ignore the mean completely, we could also draw a line of best fit that looks something like this. And the thing is, any of these would probably be marked right because they show the same relationship. Each of them shows, okay, well, it's a positive relationship, and you can use it to sort of identify, okay, well, what's this point here? Let me estimate a point there. Okay, so it's good enough to be semi-accurate. We don't need it to be completely accurate, and so don't worry too much. Or is this the proper line of best fit? Am I doing it properly? As long as you know, okay, so that's how I do it. It's going to be right. It shows the right relationship. There's also no first point or last point that you have to start with. So for example, in this one, when I was drawing these lines, I didn't necessarily say, okay, well, I'm going to start with this point here and then draw my line. You don't have to do that. You can start from here and draw it through like that. You don't have to pass it through any point specifically to start it with. Okay, so that was just a quick explanation. I hope that helped, and please let me know if you have any other questions.